You walk into the gym and suddenly you forget every English word you know. Your mind goes blank. You want to speak. You want to understand. But the words don't come out. And that feeling? It hurts more than people think. Because sometimes it's not just about English. It's about confidence. It's about feeling strong. It's about becoming a new version of yourself. But today that changes. Today, you will train your English like you train your body. Slowly. Step by step. One sentence at a time. And by the end of this video, you will not only know gym English, you will feel more confident speaking naturally in real life. So take a deep breath. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. And shadow every sentence. Because this is where everything changes. I'm going to the gym today. I need to work out. I want to get stronger. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying to build muscle. I feel tired today, but I still came to the gym. That is discipline. The gym is crowded today. I usually come in the morning. I forgot my water bottle. I need a towel. Where are the dumbbells? This machine is free. Can I use this machine? How many sets do you have left? I'm almost done. Take your time. Thank you. I'm warming up first. Stretch your arms slowly. Stretch your legs. Don't rush. Good form is important. My muscles feel sore. Yesterday's workout was hard, but I feel proud. I'm getting better every week. No one saw this coming. A few months ago, I was weak. I had no energy. I had no confidence. I felt uncomfortable in my own body. And honestly, I almost gave up. Maybe you know that feeling too. Maybe you started many times and stopped many times. Maybe you looked in the mirror and thought, nothing is changing. But real change is slow. Very slow. And most people quit too early. That's the sad part. Not because they are weak, but because they don't see progress fast enough. But what happens when you keep going? What happens when you continue one more day? One more workout, one more sentence, one more step. That is how transformation begins. Now, keep shadowing. I'm doing cardio today. I like running on the treadmill. I'm lifting weights. This exercise is difficult. I need a short break. My heart is beating fast. I'm sweating a lot. That means I'm working hard. Consistency is more important than perfection. I train 4 times a week. Sometimes I feel lazy, but I still show up. That is the secret. I drink protein shakes after workouts. I eat healthy food now. I sleep earlier than before. My lifestyle is changing. My mind is changing too, because fitness is not only physical, it's mental, it's emotional. Some people go to the gym to lose weight. Some people go to feel stronger. And some people go because they are fighting silent battles inside. Battles nobody can see. Stress, fear, loneliness, pressure, pain. The gym becomes their safe place. A place where they can breathe again. A place where they can start over. And maybe English feels the same way for you. Maybe speaking English scares you. Maybe people laughed at your accent. Maybe you stayed quiet because you were afraid to make mistakes. But listen carefully. Every fluent speaker once struggled too. Every strong person was once weak. Every confident voice once shook with fear. This is where everything changed for them. And this can be your moment too. Now continue. I need heavier weights. This weight is too light. Be careful with your back. Breathe slowly. Focus on your movement. Keep your chest up. Tighten your core. One more rep. You can do it. Don't stop now. Push harder. That was a great set. I'm feeling stronger already. I love the energy here. Music helps me focus. I'm tired but happy. Exercise helps my mental health. I feel calmer after workouts. Fitness changed my life. And then something strange happens. One day, you look in the mirror, and you realize you are no longer the same person. Not because your body changed, but because your mindset changed. You stop quitting easily. You stop doubting yourself. You stop waiting for motivation, because discipline becomes part of who you are. And that feeling is powerful. The same thing happens with English. At first, every sentence feels difficult. Your pronunciation feels strange. You make mistakes. You repeat words again and again. But then one day, you speak naturally without thinking. You understand movies. You understand conversations. You express your thoughts clearly. And suddenly, the language that once scared you becomes part of your life. But what happened next? You realize something deeper. The real goal was never perfect English. The real goal was confidence, growth, freedom, a better future. And nobody can take that away from you. Now, let's continue together. I'm training my legs today. Leg day is difficult. My arms feel stronger now. I need more practice. Progress takes time. Small steps matter. I believe in myself. I'm becoming healthier. I feel more confident now. I'm proud of my progress. I didn't quit this time. That is a big victory. I'm learning patience. I'm learning discipline. I'm learning consistency. Healthy habits change your life. I want to stay active. I enjoy exercising now. This workout feels amazing. I'm getting closer to my goals. Never compare yourself to others. Your journey is different. Just keep going. One day at a time. One sentence at a time. One workout at a time. And maybe today, you still feel nervous speaking English. Maybe you still feel insecure. Maybe you still think you are not good enough. But remember this. Growth is quiet at first. Just like muscles grow slowly. Confidence grows slowly too. You may not see change today, but if you continue, your future self will thank you. That is the truth. That is how transformation works. Slowly, silently, powerfully. Now take one more deep breath and repeat these final sentences with confidence. I am improving every day. I believe in myself. Mistakes help me learn. I will not give up. I am stronger than before. I can speak English confidently. I can change my life. I will keep going, no matter what happens. Because the strongest people are not the most talented. They are the ones who continue. Even when it is hard. Even when nobody believes in them. Even when progress feels invisible. So, if you are still here, this message is for you. Keep training. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Your future is being built right now. One word. One workout. One decision at a time. And one day, you will look back and smile. Because you never gave up. If this video helped you practice English and feel motivated, support the channel with a like and subscribe. And keep shadowing every day. Your English journey has already begun.